Let me talk about Spring Boot. Spring Boot, it allows for rapid development of production ready applications and to build microservices with minimal coding. Spring Boot is a open source Java framework. In my opinion, it is a game changer to develop Java applications, that is Java EE enterprise applications, very fast. Let me discuss some of the main advantages of Spring Boot in detail. The first thing that comes to our mind when we start discussing about Spring Boot is convention over configuration. What is convention over configuration? Let me discuss in detail. When we start concentrating more on coding part rather than configuring the XML file while we are developing Spring applications, that is Java EE applications, we need to configure a lot of stuff in Spring. This results in consuming of developers' effort and time. But whereas in Spring Boot, we just need to provide the dependencies and concentrate more on business logic. Another one is ease and speed in development of application, and also to avoid repetitive code while we are developing the web applications in Java, that is boilerplate code. Easy to integrate with other frameworks, that is Hibernate, MongoDB and lot of other things. We need to provide the dependency, that's all, so that we can integrate with other frameworks. And also one of the main advantages is we have embedded web servers like Jetty, Netty, Undertow and Tomcat. Spring Boot is opinionated and use intelligent defaults. Means, for example, we need Hibernate. So for that, in model class we need to annotate entity manager, entity column annotations. For that we need Hibernate. So for that, if we provide the JPA dependency, in that we have already a pack of entity manager, Hibernate and lot of other stuff in the JPA dependency, and all the stuff that are related to establish the connection with DB. It just override in the class path and fetches the classes inside the jar files in the class path. And the other main advantage is easy dependency management, and also customization is also very easy in Spring Boot. The prerequisite to develop applications in Spring Boot and to learn Spring Boot is we should have basic Java knowledge and basic Spring core concepts. That's all about Spring Boot.